Hey ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Critical Dreams back again with another great educational video for you guys. So this video is about eSIM and another great eSIM application that you guys could use when you are going to your travel destination anywhere in the world. Another great application that have over 54 to 81 countries or 120 to 365 days of the year. You guys would be getting data once you apply to this application, right? So let's get right into it. I'm going to give you guys a step-by-step guide on what to expect in this application. As well, as you guys could see, this is the startup layout. It's actually pretty simple to use, right? So you could see single country and you guys could see regional countries. So we're going to do single countries first, right? In the single country section, you could see popular destinations, right? Most application like these have that, right? So what this application for, it is a eSIM provider, and any country that you go into, you could actually apply for data, right? Instead of going to that country and trying to get a new SIM card in order to get data, which a lot of people, it would actually save you the hassle to just buy data from online with the application like this. So as you guys can see, you want a plan in the United States, you can see 20 gigabytes for 30 days, and you guys can see the price for it, right? $22, right? Look like it had a discount on it because you can see like it was $35 and you can see like 1 gig something, right? So you guys could go through it as well. You can see the different providers again from, you can see AT&T, right, and T-Mobile, right? You could scroll through and check through the plans as well, right? Also, you could scroll down. If you want to find a different country destination, you could scroll along. You would see some of the countries here where you might be going to, or you could just simply hit, you see all. Once you hit see all, you're actually able to go through this listing, which is a pretty long listing with a lot of different countries, as you guys can see. You could hit see all destinations and you would actually get a better listing with all the countries, and it would actually be in alphabetical order, right? So like I'm in Trinidad and Tobago, you could see Trinidad and Tobago. You could click on Trinidad and Tobago from here and you could see what plan is available as well as the provider. You could see the provider is iGlobal for each one, right? And you could see how long you're actually getting the plan for. You could see how much gigs it is as well, which is pretty awesome. You could actually click on it and then hit continue if you're ready to sign up and purchase a plan with this provider, right, in that country destination. So these applications are actually pretty easy to use, right? You could click on regional. When you click on regional, you could actually buy like bundle plans from I'm seeing here, right, that actually available in different countries. So you can see if you click on the top one, you could see on sale as well, because they actually have sales, which is pretty awesome as well. So meaning you could get it at a discounted price as well. So you see like this top one was $20 and you're getting it for $18, right? $33, you're getting it for $27, right? And that's for 20 gigs. Pretty awesome. And that is actually in USD dollars, right? Now in this bundle plan, you could see it's actually available in China, South Korea, and Japan. So if you buy these bundle, you would be able to use it in these 3 available countries, right? So you could go back to global, right? And you can see this one have a lot of countries, right? Data plans. So you can actually buy very big data plans as well, right? 30 gigs for 365 days, right? 50 gig for 365 days. So if you actually want data plan as well, that actually for a longer period of time, like more months, because some of these providers will only give you up to 90 days and stuff like that, right? So you're actually getting up to 365 days if you want to buy massive plans as well, right? As you guys could see, it would cost you a little money, but if you are a traveler and you actually want to do heavy uploads, downloads, transferring files and stuff like that, you would actually need a pretty big plan, right? Especially like say is a content creator and they're doing travel content and they're traveling to different destinations throughout the world. You may need big plans, and this actually would be a pretty easy way to actually help you guys get big plans as well, right? In certain destination that you would be going to, right? So you see available for Singapore, Thailand and Malaysia, right? So that's actually pretty awesome. You can hit manage at the bottom here, but you would have to sign in, so you can skip that. At the bottom you can see it have profile. When you go across the profile, you can see it have Nomad points, promos, right? If you click on the promos, most likely you have a account, right? You would see friends, right? All those stuff you need an account with. But you can also click settings and you can set what currency you actually want to use. When you hit change, most these applications, the currency does be the same, right? You can see European currency, Canadian dollar, British pounds and Swiss francs, right? Pick your specific language you actually want to use as well, which is actually pretty awesome, right? And you can press back. So if you guys interested in data eSIM plans that you could use worldwide, you guys could actually go and check out this application. If you need to download this application, what you would need to do is go to the Play Store where it will actually be available. Click, hit download. Once you download it, you would actually enter and you would actually end up on this screen. Once you end up on this screen, you could go through it and you could take your time and find out a different listing to what country you are actually going to and buy a data plan from one of these providers that is on this application, right? To what country destination you're actually going to. So was your boy Critical Dreams. Hope you guys actually like this video. If this video was actually helpful for you guys, subscribe to my channel for more video like these. I'll actually be dropping a lot more eSIM application that would be helpful for you guys when you are going to your travel destination throughout the world, right guys? Comment down below if you actually want to find out any more information that I may be able to assist you guys in. And I'm out. Peace.